Hi guys, welcome to the garden again. My name is Daisy, and if you are new to my channel, let me tell you what I do here. I usually do some gardening videos and I do some DIY projects as well, and I also share some vegetarian cooking recipes. As the weather gets better in the coming weeks, we'll be spending more time in the garden, in the sitting area, so I thought I should make a few baskets which I can hang around garden furniture. It will just give it that nice good feel. So let me show you what I've got for the baskets. So these were what I've got at Morrison's. It's a string of pearls, 8 bush lobelia. There's different colors in it. And then I've got some trading lobelia as well, and it's got 8 sections in it. This one is all blue, and I'll be able to just mix it in the basket, and that will be hopefully hanging out of the basket. Just look nice. And I also have bought this one, petunia, so I'm just hoping to mix it up with my other plants I've got. I've got some marigold I could put in the basket as well because they're dwarf ones, and this one hopefully will go in one basket. This is a gardenia and it's red color. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, so I've got these 4 baskets. These baskets look quite old, but I think it will do the job. I could paint it if I really wanted to. So what I've done, there was some soil in it from before. These are the old soil, so I'm just gonna mix it with some fresh compost. I've also saved some of the gel that was underneath. The gel goes at the base of the basket so it can retain the water when you water it. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to waste this because this is all fine. I'll just add some plant feed in it, enrich it, and then just add some fresh compost. So I'll just go half and half in each basket, putting some gel underneath. So we've got this promo. I used 1 box of it in the garden and it worked really well. This one, got it from Pound Shop. I've also got this gel. It's water retaining crystals, which I'll be using on the base of the basket. So let's get started. This bag here, it comes with a spoon as a measurement. So I'll just go 1. So when you put water in this gel, it's supposed to just swell up. So I will start with that. And this one, just put some of it. This is the old compost. Mix some bromo in it just to enrich that soil. And then just add some compost, fresh ones. Right, so this is the trading lobelia, which I love. So I've got 8 in it, and I've got 4 baskets, so I think I can have 2 in this. I'll just have 1 in this corner because I want it all around. I don't know if I can actually break it, so I can spread it over. Yeah, 1 here. And then what else have we got? This is the one with different colors. String of pearls. Let's just go here. Right. I think I will add the trailing petunia, which is hot pink color. Yeah, go a bit deeper. More soil, a little bit more around it because there's quite a lot going on here. And voila, this one is ready. So we're just going to mix it up in this one as well. So first we'll put the gel, we'll retain the water. these. I think I'll go one marigold or two marigold in between. Because we've lost the plastic in here, I've just used the landscaping material, but I've made big holes in them so it doesn't hold water. Hi guys, so we are back in the greenhouse. I've got these pots which I bought from Flying Tigers. They were quite cheap, so I grabbed 3. So I made a few holes inside. Just use a hammer and a nail to put in some holes so it drains properly. But I will still have to put some water retaining gel just to keep some moisture. Right, so in all these walls there were like little holes on top here which I put the wires in. So I'm just going to attach that to the wall.